Different content. So, line up that pinned with that one on the fence, and we'll try and get these two center walls first, and we'll build out that way.
Both work out.
Well, because we can have an overhang up the end of the slab, but we can't have too small of a cavity in the middle.
Do we have the size of the party wall? Or is it...
I have a feeling I read on the plans 280. You have two 90mm walls and usually 100mm cavity. Where'd he go?
Not that big.
Nope. That's upstairs, you
Fucking idiot. Told you. Fucking box cutters on the ground level.
Why did you put that plan first? 280. Cool.
The question is why do I even have a folder?
This saved us so much time. Anyways, do you have a string line?
It's funny you should mention that. I actually do.
I take a piss. Hey, dog. Good boy. See? Happy?
Close-ish.
Sick. So, do you want to measure off 280, do a mark on that side? I will square this
280 off of the brick, off of the slab.
string line.
Off the string line.
Oh, so just set yourself up.
Oh yeah.
Good on that.
Same down the other end.
Yeah, and you'll just be able to measure off that square line to work around the step down.
Okay.
In my trailer?
Guys, is that a Martinez?
Yeah, you like that? That's so you square up. And then just mark 280 down in there.
In here?
Yeah, there.
Oh.
Yeah, mark that shit, yeah.
Why do you have to make it weird?
That's...
Yep.
Good.
Yep. Big old lump, but a good mark.
Yeah, she's a bit fucked around that
Do you want to do it again?
pano. Nah, the line's alright.
There's that little bit of that low spot there with that fucking...
Yeah. Alright, we'll flick this high side. So, let's just pull some overalls. What unit do you want to flick first?
Let's do this one.
Yeah.
Closest to my car.
That one's easy. So you just pull an overall off that. Why they got 240 there? Anyway. I love when they put their little building permit badge right on top of measurements.
Thing.
You got your calculator ready?
Oh, I do indeed. Got my little notebook if we need that as well, mate.
So good. So you got 29.
29.
Oh, 00.
Yep.
Plus 3940.
3940. That's
Yeah.
it.
Mm-hmm.
6840.
Sweet. And then that's that first step in over there.
So that's that one there. That
Yeah,
internal.
that furthest in one.
Is that the external or internal you're going to there?
That's internal.
Internal.
And then so this will be brick because it's got 240
Yeah,
cavity.
240 onto that.
And then that step in will be 560. So then for that next step out, we can just add 560 to it, and then we measure everything off this datum line that we just flicked. 6, 8. You are so aggravated. Pull it tight there. Put a mark there. How far in's that?
Maybe 20 mil from the outside. Look at it. Yeah, fucking don't move. Go back to where you're at. You happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that really wants to come like 70 mil back
This way.
this way. Why?
I can print it off because we have on-site printing.
Did you print it off?
Probably not. There's a whole heap of pages together.
That's engineering. Alright. So the 240s for back around on that extended part. I wonder how it works for back the other way.
Off of that back side in the garage there.
So work like over to the far side of that unit.
Yep.
And then see if we can like shuffle the whole thing.
You give it a measure.
Like 150, 135, what's that?
150, 135, 385.
280, yeah. So that's alright. Where's the heap gonna sit? So we're gonna have 90mm wall.
What's the thickness of their hebel? 60?
Usually 50.
He's putting the hebel in himself.
Fuck that.
Like, the hebel guy's like, yeah, can't make it. He's like, fuck it, I'll do it myself.
Does he have the monorail and shit?
He seems pretty confident in it.
You do you, my man. Do they have a detail?
Fucking.
No. Beg Street. Yeah, 90, 25, 50mm hebel.
I feel like the quality of the products on this job will actually be pretty good.
It's just gonna work out shit for the hebel.
Like real tight.
No, because you got 25mm cavity.
Yep.
And then, so that's your 50mm hebel. But it's like fucking half on and half off.
It's gonna be horrid.
Mm.
We're not doing hebel.
Whereas if we pushed everything over, what do we have? 20mm up there.
Yeah, 20 mil.
We could push everything 30mm over.
We give him plenty more in the hebel.
And then the hebel sits down on the ground, but 30mm is a lot to move it.
means this whole wall is then set up properly.
The only, unless we fucked up, and that is...
There's only 2 marks there, bud.
Yeah, but unless that's the outside of that, which would make us 40 mil off. What unit's this?
I think this is
Unit 1.
fucking 1.
What's it say on that pin?
2.
Pantry and gassed.
Yeah.
No, it's the right wall. We'll double check it off that other side, and then if that wants to move as well, I'll phone go.
What a 30-metre tape? Nothing.
No, I'm sweet. 7915. We're gonna have to now. It's over 10. 10.0565. So that should be that wall to 90 million up that end. Do you have my 30-metre tape?
Have our 30-metre tape.
Oh, awesome.
I actually bought a new one. You'll probably fucking want them.
I've got 2 of them.
Yeah. As a collection, we have 3.
So, in case you're curious what's gone on, we've like worked out all of our centers to make sure our party wall works, because you've got to have like a certain amount of cavity. You can push it over at each end and that doesn't really matter. So we've done that, and then once we're measuring like the overall of the building, then it's like only just sitting on that slab. So now we'll have a look at it from like that way on the other unit and see if we can shuffle the whole 2 buildings over to make it work to the party wall and still land on the slab. Are you kidding?
Fucking, I had it the other day, and then I feel like the boys have taken it out, and I have no fucking idea where it is.
You lost it.
The side, you look like a fucking fridge door.
Can you...
You
I'm
want
gonna work
this
this
one?
out too. I think I worked it out to the front. Yes, I did. Hold me on that pencil mark.
Roger that.
Let's do a mark at 9. What was that number? 1065? It was written down on the concrete.
6'5", what's that?
10565. So what's that? 1565 now. What? A meter. Oh yeah, 16. Uh, 1565. Knock out. Alright.
That's the inside, is it?
Yeah. much?
150 to the outside of the edge of the pond.
How much too big are we there?
150 to that edge.
Less 90 is 60, and if we put 60 mil back on,
So we're 60 mil too big this side. So we can go.
so if we go 60 mil bigger over there,
The heaver will sit on it nicely.
that wall lands on the slab.
That wall, this unit will end up in the slab.
Yeah, that's right. That's moving the whole thing across. It's a lot to move it off his set out points though.
Oh, mate, lives about 400 metres away from here.
Is it worth asking him?
We wanted to come down, lead it. Remember, I had COVID. Avoid the question.
Why did I have it?
Just shut up, alright? I fucking panic. Isn't that right, buddy?
That's 85.
Beautiful.
Work pitching. Smack.
Should go past that. Much better.
Make you happy, Vic Aus? Large wearing t-shirt, but
Keep going. Keep going.
I'm on.
Give me some more line.
And that.
Yeah,
Happy?
yeah.
You flicking or am I?
You flick. I think that's it.
Maybe I've got to lose this going. You know who's going to lose their job? Lachlan.
Wasn't it 6,840?
I feel like that was the one I just showed you was for there.
Go, do you still have a pencil mark there? Is that it?
Sure do, got a texter mark.
Is that on it?
Bang on it.
Yeah.
Happy?
Mm-hmm.
That's me.
Do we need to do the other side of that pipe?
No, we're going to miss it by about 10 mil.
Beautiful.
A real proper 10 mil though too.
Oh yeah, go right through.
Happy?
Yeah.
Yep.
Big strong man, huh?
You like that, didn't you? Yeah. Get a texter for me.
Huh?
You just eye that up now to get it all the way through.
Uh-huh.
That's me, Big Daddy. Good roll.
So, might just come 90mm in.
Side edge outside the slab.
No, we won't mark your side.
Yep.
So mark that on an arc. That's heaps.
Keep going. Same up there.
Oh, you dirty cunt. No.
Mark it.
Nah. Man. Just get it back, like square it to that line.
Oh, okay. That's pretty good there.
Yeah. So put a mark on that line here.
That one there.
Yeah. That's why I said square it.
Oh, yeah, it's fine then. You're fine up there. That's me.
Not bad.
What did it give you?
No.
Nice.
So, I don't really know where it was. We left off the other day. We like started flicking it out. We got our little slab placement issue sorted. And then the supervisor, project manager, builder showed up. And so we just ran through some shit with him for the rest of the day. And kind of didn't really keep flicking it out. And then I ran out of time, so I'm back today. Anyway, Zach will be here in a minute. And we'll just keep getting it all flicked out and marked. Steel goes in tomorrow or Wednesday. We pushed this frame back a lot just because they wanted us to do it, but they had to work in around all our other jobs. So yeah, we've pushed this one back till after Christmas, but he can only get the steel guys this side of Christmas, so we'll get it all flicked out. The steelies can put it in the walls, and then we'll just deal with whatever they do after Christmas, New Year's when we come back to work. So anyway, finish marking out. I think from where we were at the other day with it, it's not super difficult. Like if you can essentially do what we just did, that's 99% of it. Doing your upper beams is a little bit harder, but not that much. It's pretty much just run off the string lines like you saw. In this case they were wrong, so maybe don't, but usually you just run off the string lines, set everything up to that, and you'll be pretty safe. So anyway, we got everything sorted. The only other thing you'll do is we'll find a big corner to check for square as well. I think there was a clip in it. Probably edit this in. It was. So this is the spot the other day. I'm pretty sure I made it quite clear, but do our 3, 4, 5. So that's that mark there. So that'll be 3 meters. 4 meters is down here. And then for that corner to be 90 degrees, that's got to be 5 meters. Ideally you'd stretch it out and do like a 6, 8, 10, but not quite enough room on this job to stretch it out that far. And then because it is quite a small way to square it, and we'll kind of check each room as we bring it back as well. But they're not massive buildings, so you shouldn't drift too far out anyway.
So, that's that one flicked right before it fucking pisses rain. So we just checked each room for 3, 4, 5 as we worked our way down. If you got hairspray and it's going to rain, spray it on your lines, it'll save them. And that's about it. That's how you flick out a building. Isn't it, Zach? That's it. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that shit. It does help. Cheers, guys.